And welcome to Dude with a Fork. My name is Ken. Today's episode of Ken Tries Stuff, we are once again trying our second Maruchan instant lunch. This is the hot and spicy shrimp flavor ramen noodle soup. We tried this one, lime chili, yesterday. And so let's see how these two compare. I went through a lot of this yesterday. So nutritionally, it's almost all the same. I was looking at this yesterday. The calories are 290. Fat is 12 grams in both. Cholesterol is less than 5 milligrams on yesterday's and 0 milligrams today. I'm not quite sure why. Sodium, though, yesterday the lime chili one was 50%. This one, this hot and spicy shrimp, is 57%. But you do get 1 extra gram of fiber. This one had 2. This one has 3. So cooking instructions are the same. You're going to fold back that lid halfway, fill to inside the line with boiling water, close the lid securely, and let stand for 3 minutes. So we'll open this up and see what it looks like. So again, wrapped in this shrink wrap plastic, which is not recyclable. But does help to keep everything fresh. And there we go. It's an absolute pain in the neck to get off. But so anyway, we pull this back halfway, and that looks hot and spicy. And there's the shrimp, which also look hot and spicy. It's just, well, and if you look, yesterday was lime chili flavor, and in little tiny letters they said hot and spicy. This one has the door to a blast furnace open in the back of it, so I'm kind of expecting that. So I'm going to get some boiling water in here and fill it right to this line, which is a little less than a ½ inch from the top, about 1 centimeter from the top, and I'm just going to push this lid over and just put a spoon on it, and that'll keep it shut. And we'll come back in 3 minutes and see what this is like. I did want to take just another look here at this before our buzzer goes off, because I wanted to see, yesterday's looked a lot like what the picture looked like. So here's noodles, here's some shrimp, here's what appears to be chives, and maybe a single vegetable. So yeah, we'll see how closely it looks like that, because yesterday's was pretty close. So, all right, our timer is just about to go off, and it's annoying, which is good. Okay, you can stop, and we're just gonna peel this lid off. Wow, okay. Everything has floated to the top, and I don't know if that's a good thing or not. There's quite a bit of veg in here. These noodles do not look as hot and orange, so I'm thinking maybe if we stir this up a bit. So yeah, see, all that spice floats to the top. Okay, so yeah, kind of excited to try this. So I'm gonna come in here and with a spoon and just taste this broth. And I do have my bottled water with me, because if nothing else, I learned something from yesterday. So, yep, there's a bit of parsley in there. So let's have a taste and see what this is like. Oh my. Yeah, that's same thing. It just really hits you in the back of the throat. It is definitely spicy, so if you like spicy food, you will not be disappointed. So I'm going to get a handful of these noodles, yep, and see if I can avoid flinging them all over the place. And they're long. Again, they're not that exciting, to be honest with you. All I taste is the spice. So here's a bit of carrot. What I found out yesterday is carrot. Yeah, I think I need a spoon for that. So here we are. Put a carrot there. And they're kind of tough and chewy. I did bring a bowl today, so I thought, well, maybe let's try these in a bowl and see what we actually have here. Everybody's out. So, I mean, it's attractive looking. It looks like something you might get in a restaurant. But, wow, there's lots of little tiny shrimp this time. There aren't nearly as many shrimp as what I see here. I think once you stir them all in, they disappear, but here they're just all floating on the top. So, these also look like fresh shrimp. They don't look like freeze-dried, but they taste like shrimp that yeah, they taste like freeze-dried shrimp that are kind of old, and they've got a very strong fishy taste to them. That's about all I can say. And there's doesn't appear to be a lot of them in here unless they all sank to the bottom. So I think the verdict is the same as yesterday's. It's not bad. It's not, but it's not good. All you taste is the spice, and I don't really taste anything else. I mean, it's 55 cents. So you're definitely getting what you paid for. You're not paying a huge amount for what is, in the end, kind of very mediocre food. So, yeah, I'm going to eat this for lunch, but I'm thinking I'm going to try to come up with my own version of this that tastes a lot better, because I do like shrimp, and I do like spice. I need to figure out a better way to do this, because this is not it. So we'll try again next time. And I think I'm going to give these the same rating I gave yesterday's test. 3 out of 5. Definitely can't beat the price, and they do look like what's on the package. It's actually an attractive looking product. But just there's so much salt in it, it's not healthy, and it's all you taste is the heat. So you get what you pay for, I guess. It's 3 out of 5 for me. But I definitely won't be buying these again. However, it has inspired me to try my own version of this. So I'm going to try to come up with something, and I will come back with that and see what you think. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you like this, please like. If you have questions or you tried these before or something like that, please leave a comment. If you want to see more content like this, please go ahead and subscribe. It is absolutely free. If you click the bell icon, you get notifications when I get new videos out. So thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, eat great food, and power to the proletariat. We'll see you next time.